take you through a quick tour. You go pieces, the lining. Beautiful lining. But you get to see the magnitude of what we have built, which is really, really nice. Always nice to be here. And by the way, the most exciting thing about this whole thing is that we're gonna start generating more revenue per square foot by creating women's wear here. So that's gonna be amazing. We're so excited. Stay tuned to that because it's no longer gonna be just guys getting all the love, but girls are gonna be getting a lot more love now. Beautiful. There's a new Rosa. Oro Vittoriano. And then